everybody, welcome back to another one of my videos. It is me, JessB33. Today I'm trying to pick it up a notch. Since the new trend is slime, I'm going to be making some slime for you guys. So this is what I'm going to be stirring it with, and then after I'm going to use my hands. So all you need is some clear glue, so I'm going to be making 2 of it. So, and then you need a bowl, eye contact solution too. Sometimes, just in case, if you guys want to wait a lot, use some, what is it again? Oh, yeah, use some baking soda. Okay, so first let me put this up here and I'll show you stuff. So first let's take off the cap of our glue bottle and pour it inside of the bowl. So how you get air bubbles is doing it how I'm doing it right now, squeezing. So we're going to wait for mostly like the whole entire container to be in there. So this is actually my first slime that I made all by myself. Trust me, I've been with my friend and she took it all over. So this is technically my first ever slime, and I heard that clear slime is the hardest. So yep. So there we go. And it's around Easter time, so yeah. So that is all my glue, literally. All of it. Like, it's a bag. It's so pretty. So you want to mix it slowly, like this, for then all the air bubbles could come out. So I'm just going to speed this up a little bit after. So this goes, if this doesn't go good for me, then I insist, if this is your first ever time making slime, don't make clear glue. Don't make clear slime. If you guys can't tell, like, oh yes, you guys can tell, I believe. That red part at the end of the spatula, that's all the glue. I'm making one for my brother. So yeah. So let me put that spatula right there. And time to get some eye contact solution. Cheese, can you please get me some blue and red food coloring? Ooh.
Is that clear glue?
Yes.
But don't do it with
Too late, I already tried. I already mixed it. But I haven't put the activator in yet. So yeah,
that is
it
the
doesn't
activator.
really. Yes, this is the activator to like form your slime together. I don't really. So this is actually
Eye contact.
sensitive eyes. So I think this is eye contact for like to mix it up. It's my first time, so don't judge if this goes wrong.
What colors?
Red and blue. So I put a little bit in.
Wait,
Time.
that's the mixing thing?
Yeah. Time. Ooh, this is forming. I'm too scared because, like, if I overactivate it, it'll be. I won't be able to stretch it. But if I like activate it if I underactivate it, then this is not that clear. I'm gonna ask for some baking soda too. Cause like it's supposed to be, this is like eye contact, so it's supposed to form. Comment down below if I'm making this right. Cause as I said before,
I don't know where the blue one is. What we got you green and red.
Just red.
Huh?
I'm not making. Get me some baking soda.
What? Here.
Yeah, so time to add the food coloring. So I'm using red for Easter because it's like pink. Ooh, there we go.
And because we do not have any pink
Yes.
food coloring.
Oh my gosh, like. And you know how people say just put one dot of food coloring and it'll be like lighter? I'm putting lots. Because lots actually makes it really light. Because I made slime before, but I left it out for a little bit. So, oh, actually, not that much. Because it looks like blood. That's awesome. Guys. Look at that.
How much
guys.
boxes do
One.
you need? Huh?
One.
One box?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. This looks like blood. It's not activating yet.
Whoa, that's so cold.
Yeah, that's baking soda. Give it to me.
Baking water is
Oh, that's what I need. I need some water.
Oh.
Give me the baking soda and give me some water inside a cup.
Okay.
Yeah, I forgot. I needed it water to thicken it. I always forget that. Yeah? Why? Sorry, guys. Just a sec. So, everyone, I got my water. Now, to put it in, I might need to...
Could I walk
did
you?
this thicken? Yes, you can watch me.
That's
it got heavier. It got way heavier.
That
Now let me put some more. If I put too much eye contact, this will be bad. Because I already used like half of that bottle.
that looks like what is that
What?
color called?
Red velvet.
No, what's that other color called?
There's so much water on
It
top.
looks like a pink color.
No,
Magenta.
oh, no.
That
On
kind
the
of
side it does.
yeah. It kind of looks good.
Oh my god, that's
Yeah.
super cold.
Yeah.
Oh, that's freezing because we haven't used this.
Can I touch it?
Now wash your hands.
I put it in the
Ooh, I
water.
think I put a bit too much.
Ooh, that baking water looks good.
Oh, I think I put a bit too much of baking soda.
Now you're whoa, that's
Oh, it's forming into slime. Cool. See?
I think you need more activator. I think you need more
It's like
activator.
gelatin.
I know you. I think you need more activator.
I think I don't.
That's kind of. Can I touch it? Well, that's
How
kind
good is it?
of
I think
good.
it'll stain your hands a bit. I don't know. Does food coloring stain your hands? Ooh.
Well, that's a
Comment down
dicky.
below.
That's a dicky.
Yes, I officially made clear slime. I think I accidentally overactivated it.
But-
I knew I did.
That actually does not look like
Okay,
clear
guys,
wine.
so
That
now-
does not look like clear wine
it
anymore.
is gonna be like
Because it's
ooh,
red.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I made slime, guys. I need to knead it, guys. Look, wait. Ooh, no.
No, get out of my hand. Get out of my hand.
Oh my gosh, this is so pretty.
I think you need to add
And this,
more
guys.
water.
No, I don't. Oh yes, I do a bit. I knew I was gonna. I thought I was gonna overactivate it, but I underactivated it. That's so cool.
Are you going to get that off?
Yes, it is gonna get off,
Oh.
guys. So
pretty
this
good
is
too.
so cool. First ever attempt of making slime. And I actually
No,
made it.
you make the slime like I kind of time.
No, zero. I tried to make it what? Oh, that's so pretty. I have to let it sit for a few days.
You.
Oh,
You.
I need to like
It is digging
sit for
to
like
me.
5 more
It
days.
is digging to me.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's so pretty.
Whoa. This is digging on me.
Oh my god, oh no.
I need to wash my
You
hands.
rubbed. Oh no, slime doesn't come out of your.
I need to wash my hands.
I need to put some water in here.
Wow.
It's not that clicky. Like, if I was gonna rate it on the clickiness, it's not that
Can I
clicky.
play with it? Can I play?
No, not yet, because I still have to fix it. Oh my gosh, it's like gel. Before it was like gelatin. Once I added the baking soda, oh my gosh, it activated like so fast. I put too much in there, I thought, and I didn't. Thanks to Crafty Girls and that little girl who like slept in and stuff. I don't know who she is.
And
but
also,
thank you to Ruby Just Jordan 33. I love your channel. That's where I got
the idea.
Just B 33 from.
And you also got the
Look at that.
idea.
Yeah, I got this idea from Just B 33 because like she barely makes clear slime. She can't make clear slime. She even said that to the camera. So I was like, why not if I try if it's so hard. Like so hard. And plus I saw her mom make it and her mom failed at it. Oh, this whole entire bag is took off because of this. Wow, that's awesome. How slime could just do that. It's magical.
By the way, but you will put on Bethany's hamster table,
Yes.
and you are also on Bethany's hamster's cage.
Yes, but this is my filming table now too. So
And your hamster table.
yes, it's my hamster table too.
And your iPad table.
You back off.
Because your iPad is
Because
in
like
there.
the charger was right there, so I could just charge it any time. Really, let me put this over there. He just loves it since it's red.
Ah,
Oh yeah, guys, we're not done with this video yet. I said I'm making 2.
oh yeah.
And guess what, guys? This is like the size of 2 bottles, people say. This is 1 bottle, and it's so big. Look. Sorry if you guys are moving.
I'm gonna get the thing or the other one, okay?
I can't. Oh my gosh, this is overactivated. No, no, this cannot be happening. Overactivated. I need to let it
Where
sit.
did you put didn't want the other one? That orange clay.
Oh, not using that. I said that's for my feature slime videos. Because I have to get better and better at making slime each day. So, oh my gosh, this is
Do you have more clear
so
blue?
bad. You're not taking any? Remember, you're watching because you didn't watch this one. You didn't watch to see. Gosh, I need this. I think I put a bit too much water in there. Girl, I think I put too much water in there.
Man, could you let me have it and play with it for a while?
This one is for you, but you have to let it sit.
And what is yours gonna be? What color is it gonna be?
Clear.
Mine is gonna be red.
Yes, this is yours.
Could I take it
Oh
to
my
you?
gosh, yes.
Yeah.
It's yours. Just don't play with it every single day, because don't let it sit. But for the next 5 days. Yes, you can. He asked, can I put glitter in it? Of course you can. You can put whatever you want in it, except the clay. That's for me. No clothes. If it gets on your clothes, it'll stay.
And no food.
You can put charms and that inside slime.
But not food.
Yes. Ooh, this is so good. No, I need a container. Oh, I don't think this would fit inside the container that I was planning to put it in. Back there, there's 2 containers. Get them, please.
Well,
While I
that's
fix
where-
this. Back right behind that purple thing.
This
My
purple
room is a
tent-
mess, just to let you guys know. Yes, behind that purple tent. Do you see those 2 containers?
Well,
On the
there.
pink thing? Yeah, grab them. Those were my... That's touching my head, guys. Literally, I'm right under it. Right now. No, I'm not. I'm inside the sun. I'm inside the dark. I'm inside my sun. I'm inside the... Put this back. Give me the containers.
What the heck is in
It's-
here?
Just give it to me. Fast. Don't take the thing out. Just give it to me.
Okay.
Oh, did my hair get in this? Oh, yes, it did. Never let hair get inside your slime. That's for girls, too. Again, if you do, then you'll have to recycle. Never put these on, a paper towel or something. Hurry, because that's where the bowl is. Pass it to me. I said don't take those stuff out.
Why?
Just don't, because that's slime. Old slime. It's been sitting for 3 years straight.
Oh! You are attempting to make...
No, I actually made slime that time with my friend.
Well, you make it...
There we go. We got a perfect background. Got a perfect background. You'll see this inside lots of my videos now since it's a perfect background.
And in your wall.
Yes, my wall is a perfect background too.
And even
see,
your door.
You can't really see through
And even
it.
your door.
Yeah. Okay, so see guys, this container is really old. You can tell because there's old slime in here.
Yeah. The other container, I could not put it in because water was duck in it.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I think a little bit. Yes. Oh my god, some hamster poos in there. Trust me, there's gonna be no more poo inside slime.
And also, do not put your wine in the toilet.
This is
And
so glittery.
do not put
Guys,
your
this is so glittery.
do not put your wine in the toilet and wash it down the toilet.
Or else you won't have slime and it'll go into the closest lake to you. Or ocean.
And you could also clog the toilet.
Yes, and plus our closest lake to us is Lake Ontario, since it's one of the 5 Great Lakes. Since we're inside Toronto right now. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Look at the compare. before I only made like super small slime with borax. Never use borax, kids. It's bad for your skin. Oh, it keeps on ripping whenever my hand goes in it. Like, guys, look, that's all I got through. And if you guys like want the bottom of your slime to be like rainbow color, just paint the bottom of your container that you're putting it in. It'll be. Chase, I need a bigger container. This is like so rippy. So that's. Here we go. We got some water on the ground now. Right there. Oh, Chase, come in. I guess he. Now I need paper towel. Great. Ooh, but Chase, come here, please. Yes, you can.
No, I'm getting new pants on.
Why?
Because?
Because what? Some slime got on them?
Yeah.
No!
Now I can come.
Oops. Can you get a bigger container? Like
Okay.
a bigger one for it could sit? Now I know what to do for my slime.
Do you know where we have a big container?
It's up inside the cupboard.
Outside the cover.
Look at all this.
What cover?
The
The one on the right or the one on the left?
both, the middle ones. Like, while you're at it, some paper towel, please. Don't put your slime on paper towel. Trust me, you can't get that paper towel. There's some missing hair. Guys, there's some missing hair. I've had the missing hair. Now you're grounded. You're grounded. That's how like my hair is. Like, look. I'm not going to put any more activator on it because before it was underactivated and now it's overactivated. Like, what's the deal here? Dude's like, is this supposed to be a slime shop? Okay, so got the container. And where's the paper towel?
I'm getting it.
Okay, good. This is really big. Too much baking soda, like I said. So let me punch it down.
Here, that's B33. The paper towel. And now we got it lined. Wind pad, everybody. Wind
Yes, I
pad.
play soccer. Don't just be throwing stuff on that floor.
Please.
Yes, I play soccer. Don't throw it anymore. Guys.
Knife, Mommy.
That's a fake one, guys, so don't be like, oh, how does she have a knife in her room? Is that from 3 a.m. slime? Guys, it's not 3 a.m. at all. It's school night. As you guys can see, we are wearing our uniforms. And Chase, show them what our school is since you have it on your t-shirt. Holy Family Falcons. Holy Family Falcons. Online every time. We accept anybody who's even not Catholic. Okay, so look at this, guys.
I'll go over the
Catholic. Okay, now move. Guys, look at this. So look, you guys can see. So like I'm squishing it, and whenever I squish, my fingers literally go right through it. See?
What the?
Yeah, it's not supposed to do that. I'm gonna add a little bit. Water.
That's
I needed
a lot.
it. That's a little bit.
Activator?
Some eye contact.
Activator.
No, eye contact. That's activator. Okay, so now let's stretch. Oh, my gosh, that's way better.
Actor.
So guys, wait, let me show you what I was gonna show you, okay? So that it's like a heart.
Now could I have it? Now could I have it?
Yes.
Yes, I could have it.
No, don't play with it. Let it sit.
Oh, yeah.
You
How
have,
could one with?
you have to let it stay still, but you can play with this much slime.
Okay.
He just wants to play with any amount of slime, literally. Ooh. You might want to move your stuffy out of here, Trace.
What?
Okay, so guys, I have to dump this out, and then we're gonna just make some actual slime. There is that's over-activated slime, people. Peeps.
Could I take us in
No, no, let it sit, or else it won't be clear.
Can I put it in there?
Okay. Bye, guys. I have to literally climb over. Mom.
Bye, guys. I left them alone.
Hi, guys. Sorry, guys. Oh my gosh.
Comment down below.
Sorry, peeps. Sorry, peeps. Miranda says, with her Miranda voice.
Comment down below what YouTuber you like the best.
And kids 10 and under.
Yeah, because that's me.
Just Jordan 3 is not 10.
Who is 14?
She's inside grade 10.
Well, who is 14?
That means she's 15. Next year is her sweet 16, or this year's her sweet 16. One or the other. So guys, let's redo this with actual slime. Let's put actual slime in it this time.
And horse is not gonna be any color.
Yeah, it's
That's-
gonna be zero. It's gonna be zero color.
That's clear.
So guys, I'm not gonna add any metals to mine. I might have to. That's what yours had. That's what I did for yours. Oh my god, there's less bubbles than his. I've been doing this more. I bet you some of it's gonna be a bit red. Because I couldn't get all of it. Ooh. Is that it? Let me see. So when I squeeze it,
Now can I
Don't
play
tell.
with it?
yes, that's all of it.
Yeah, I can play with it.
No! You have to let it sit for 5 days or a week. Ha! So
I'm gonna
let's
just
put some
take
water
off the
in
lid.
that. No, we have to mix it a bit.
I'm not gonna take off the lid.
No. The lid has to be on for that it could sit. Because if it's off, it'll dry.
I know.
And it won't become slime. Don't poke it at all.
Okay.
So mix, you mix, you mix. Well, I pour in a bit of water.
Why could I not touch it? I'm touching it. Could I put my hand in?
No,
Why?
or else it won't become clear.
I'm putting my hand in.
That's almost like half of this water. I did just put all the water in.
Whoa, look at my big
It's gonna be
hand.
super watery, guys.
Hey!
You could just buy this at Walmart.
Oh, any Walmart.
Any Walmart. You're like here
Yeah!
where you pick up your.
It's a good wine.
No, it isn't. It's overactivated.
I know.
This is hard. Guys, I only need a little.
No, put a lot. You put it a lot in mine.
Ooh. Really? Stop. You
What?
made me mess up.
Now yours is gonna be just look like mine. Kind of red though. Kind of. Because I'm gonna add red food
I have
color.
a little bit.
I'm
Oh my gosh,
adding
what the
red
heck's
food color
happening?
into your wine.
No, you're not. If you do,
Could I eat it?
no.
But it's edible.
No, it isn't.
Why did you not
I'm
make it?
bringing this to school tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow.
Yes. Remember, I'm going to school tomorrow. You're not, because you got a doctor's appointment.
I'm bringing this to the hospital tomorrow.
Yeah, he's going to the hospital, just to say. Not for like an infection or anything,
Yeah.
just to get checked on, because that's where his dietitian takes place inside the hospital.
Wow. That looks whole.
This
white.
is what everybody... Don't touch it! It's not ready!
Oh.
Oh my god, stop! Look what you did!
It's one of my teeth though.
Can't come out. Slime can't come out of clothes.
But it can get out of
Skin, yes, if you wash your hands. Or body part. Ooh, I made slime. I made a little bit of slime, guys. You guys
I'm
can't
wiping
see
it
it
on
since
here.
it's pure. No, my nicest coat. Oh no, slime got in my hair. No, there we go.
I gotta go wash my hands. Ready? Left. Go.
There we go. Did my best to take it out, guys. So, because my hands get messy.
Bye guys, I'm gonna go and wash my hands. The evil way.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. It's not that clear. Like, look at that. Is that clear to you? No, it's not that clear. So, if we had blue food coloring, that's what mine would be. So you guys can tell, I love the color blue. Blue ball, blue background. So, I think I need an inch more of baking soda. Oh. Oopsie. That's gonna be like doughy. Oopsie-doops. Oopsie-doops. This is actually better than Chase's. It's coming off way easier. No, that means it's no. Look how clear that is, guys. Look. You could barely see it. If you guys couldn't tell, I put like so much baking soda in there.
Mom is weeping.
I know. Like I put so much baking soda in there.
Can you guys
don't
see
even
me?
know. No.
Yay. Now?
No.
How about now?
No.
now?
No.
How about now?
No.
Now?
Yes. I can see it from the corner of my eye, dude. Look, we almost see like that whole entire thing. Of
Wow.
isolation. What? So white? Yeah. I know.
No. It literally.
And I put too much baking soda. And mine is like so good.
Mine is so good too.
No, his isn't. It's overactivated.
Wow. Mine is getting way bigger.
Yeah, don't touch it.
I'm looking.
I got an inch of red since Chase. You don't, just look. It has to sit for a week. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Look at that. Super good. It comes off of the bowl. That's super easy.
Guys, I'm gonna go and get a drink. Bye bye.
And while
I'm
you're at
going
it,
to eat away.
and while you're at it, get me a container like yours.
I want to let them do my butt.
I'll put some slime on it and go.
Where is my butt?
So guys, your butt is right there.
But they can't hear.
Yes, they can. I'm looking straight at them. They can. Okay. What?
Bye bye, guys.
Let's see the
Could
cookie.
you guys see me?
Guys, it's
Could
not
you
that
guys see
cookie.
me? Could you guys see me?
No.
Hello. Now.
No.
Now.
No.
Now.
No.
How about now?
No.
Now.
No.
Now.
No.
Now.
No.
Now.
No.
Now.
No. Of course we can't see you. You're down the hallway. Look at that, guys. Look. I told you it's so white. White. This is what happens to your clear slime. I saw videos. I saw you. Ha. And the camera caught you. Oh, you guys are not that clear, but that's alright. I actually made slime, people. Peeps, I made.
Peeps.
Redo that. Peeps, I made slime peeps. Redo that. Peeps, I made slime peeps. Oh.
Well, I'm bleeding.
No, you're not. You
Yeah.
just put some marker on you.
No, I'm actually bleeding.
Did you get a container like I asked?
No.
Then get it.
No, I'm actually
You watched me make my slime.
bleeding.
That's not blood.
Oh. That's what actually blood.
Look at this. This is way better than you. It's a bit pink. Guys, it's like an inch pink.
Wait. If you put red in there, that would make a pink. If you put a little bit of red. A little bit.
Yeah. I know. Stop it. You don't know what that means.
It means peach. Bunny rabbit, bunny rabbit. You cannot squeeze it.
Keeps on distracting me. Now I'll get the wrong color. Ooh, pretty.
That looks like blood. I mean blood. Kinda.
Because it is. It's my blood. I use my blood to make it. Ooh, see guys, look at that color. Pretty awesome, isn't
Could
it?
you guys see me?
Ooh, this is so pretty.
Could you guys
It's like
see
a
me?
mixture. No. They can't see my bed.
Now could you see me?
No.
Now could...
I accidentally put a bit too much activator.
I'm too much kind of red.
No, that's good.
Oh, Toya, I put on a pink.
No, I was the one who thought of red being pink. This is so pretty, guys. I hate the color pink, but as my own thing, I say this is pretty.
Don't add too much red. Don't add add too much red.
I'm not. Just...
2, 3.
Ooh, that's pretty red. Stop it, stop.
But we gotta cover that.
No, you could never erase what you did.
But we could cover it with the
Oh.
line.
Yeah, and that's how it turned the color. Ooh, it turns a darker pink.
Yeah.
You didn't even think about that. Oh, guys, look at that. Look how
Like,
pretty
you-
that is.
Could you guys see me?
Nope.
Now?
Yes.
How? Now?
We could see her shadow. Yes.
Yeah, but you can't see me.
This looks like shrimp. The shrimp pink. And it has that little inches of red inside of it. The blood from the shrimp. Look at that, guys. It's not that clear. But at least it's clear. I can't even see you guys. He's getting my container, I bet. So clicky. Guys, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. I don't think I can bring it to school tomorrow. Because it's 5 days. That'll be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Monday night, so I can bring it home so I can bring it to school Tuesday. Or for a week. Guys, so probably Wednesday, that's a week. So like Sunday to Sunday, that's a week. 'Cause there's 7 days a week. 5 days. So if it was 5 days, it's 5 days for school, just to say. Thank you for the container. What the heck?
What?
No. Fine, then I'm switching yours into this container.
Uh-huh.
Switching yours into this container.
No.
Come on, yes?
That was the only
Fine,
one
then
I
I'll
could...
mix your slime with this slime.
That was the only one I could find.
No, there's much more. I'm switching with you,
No.
or else I'm mixing ours up together.
No, this is going to go in my room in a week with plates.
You can't play with it. Stop! You're playing with it.
How?
Like tilting it is playing with it.
But I wanna
I'm needing
hear
mine
this
for then.
move.
I'm needing mine for then it
I
gets
wanna
better
hear
and better
my
and better.
move.
It is moving. I can even see it all the way here.
Move that way now.
Oh, guys! Hit that like button. I'm going to set a like goal now. For all eternity, I'm going to set a like goal. This like goal is to 30,000 likes. Because my first time ever making clear
slime.
slime. And pink, too.
I'm
No,
red.
I made pink slime before.
Yeah, but you know.
That's what
red.
that. I had purple and pink slime over there.
But you.
Inside those small containers, inside these containers, pink and purple. Ha!
Yeah, but you never make it red.
Yes, Sophia made red, and I helped her.
Yeah, but you know.
I made a red right there, peeps. Right there, I just made red. Wait, let's see. Let's go for that butter test thing,
But
guys. Let's go for the butter test. So let me
let
me crunch it up. No! Now it's not gonna become clear slime anymore. My pants are all dirty from this, guys. So let me first make it a
Yay!
bit
Can't
more.
believe you make this blind for me.
Yeah, I was planning to. Guys, this is butter slime. Butter slime.
I actually want mine to be green.
Da da
I
da.
actually
Nope.
wanted mine to be green.
You love the color red. Want me to add some green stripes?
Yeah.
Okay, give me the color green.
Okay.
Ooh, I got some red right here.
And
Peeps. I
you
got some red.
Could you guys see me?
Yes. Yes.
How about now?
Yes.
How?
The shadow.
Yeah, but attacking me.
Yeah, we could. You're right there.
Ah!
Peeps.
Wait.
This is how we make
Oh,
slime.
yeah.
Subscribe if you guys haven't. Oh, wait. Let me do it with my radio voice. Hey, everybody. Subscribe if you haven't. First time ever making slime.
This is my palette. My palette is...
Get me a clear container.
that is clear.
Are you entertain them with playing with your slime?
Me playing with your
I have to do it, Chase. Give me your slime. It's like Easter pink, guys. This is Easter pink.
Told you you could make pink. Why?
I knew it because I said for yours I'm gonna make pink. I made gelatin red. Yes, I made gelatin red.
I'm gonna just
If you guys,
yours is wet.
Yeah, because I put so much water in there.
Yeah. Oh, it did not go like that.
Why did you do that?
And then you go like that. Then you go like
I
that.
don't think yours can enter anymore because I dumped all my water in there. Yours is so bad. Like, compare ours.
Stop! I'm trying to make a pizza. He wants pizza.
Ooh, come on now. Fold and fold. Yours is going to be turning reddish green. Fold. This spreads so much. It like spreads through. Oh my god. It spreads through the slime and goes under it. Guys, once I open this, prepare to see that green. Look at that. Prepare to see that green.
I'm gonna come out purplish.
No, blue.
Bluish then.
It's gonna, no, blue and red makes purple. I'm gonna take some of that. Guys, look, wait, stop. This is the difference. When I move it, you guys barely shake and squeeze it. But when I move that, wait, you guys shake a lot. And when I do that, you guys shake and then, don't you were, I am the one.
What?
I'm gonna, wait, stop. Wait, give it to me. I'm gonna take an ounce my slime and put it in there, and that will become good slime. You just watch, guys. Watch.
Why did you put this in my line?
Because then your slime will become good. Your slime, see? You like playing with mine more. Because it's a way gelatin. Because mine is like gelatin.
No, I like
This was supposed to. Yeah, this was supposed to soak yours inside water for a little bit. Chase, so stop. Give that to me. So Chase puts stop. I'm gonna give you the water container. So this is the water container. That's the water container. Put some water up to about. Let me make a mark with my pen. About to. I can't.
Stop, you are done.
About
I
right
can see
there.
that.
Yeah, and soak it inside some water. So guys, look at mine compared to his. So mine is so good. And my friend will be so impressed at me because first time ever making slime. She said that, oh my gosh, I made clear slime before. I haven't seen you, so look at that, guys. Guys, this is so good. Guys, wait. Wait, guys, I just got a brilliant idea. Wait. It's been 4.5 minutes. Yes, we're going to stay up. Since our mom's asleep.
Where can I put the water? That's me.
Inside. Oh, that's way high. That's too high.
Get it. Get it. I need to
It's
come
too
down.
high. You only needed an inch. See, look, right there. Is that right there? Is that right there?
Kinda.
That's too high. Because yours is so big. So, like, when I put it in, wait. Yeah. So when I put it in, it rises more and it'll just float. You can't, that's not warm water. It's warm.
Mine looks so
It
cool.
looks cool. It's not cool. See, look.
Yours look cool and mine. I want to play with yours.
No, you're not playing with mine.
That's what put to be my container?
Yeah, but this is the water container. Like I said, you have to let it soak in here for like a week or so now.
Why?
Because you have to let it spread out.
But look, I had ducky feet. Guys, I had ducky feet, but on my hand.
There we go.
I had ducky feet, see?
Oh, no.
Ducky feet.
Excuse me.
No, why did you make me ducky
Now,
feet?
just look at yours. You have to look at yours. Well, my gosh, you just wrecked it.
Ew, that smells like poo-poo.
Oh, Chase, pass me some,
Can you wobble it?
No, because there's a hole up here. I put a hole right there for that it could breathe. Slime doesn't breathe, guys. I know that guys, Chase, where did this lid go? Hurry up.
I know where it went. It went one way over here.
Get it?
I don't know where it is.
Get it? Or else I will take your slime and mix it with mine and it'll be mine only.
I tasted it.
Here, give it to me.
I tasted it to your bed.
Here we go, guys. Wait,
Wow,
look
why
at
the
this.
heck
Let's
did you
see
put a hole
something.
right there?
For then when you do it, you can see. Guys, look at that. Look. Jeez. Now you have to, I said let that sit.
It is in it. And now it's walking up my chest.
Yeah, so this will be your third time changing your pants. Guys, look at that.
Yeah, cold is going to be my third time. 1, 2. Oh, no touching that. Jump.
Guys, he just literally wrecked mine. It's too watering. You have to add it in each. Oh, contact solution. Where's the contact solution? Guys, water spilling. Whenever we leave solution. Find the contact solution, everyone. Because I don't know where it is. I need contact solution. Well, how can you small piece of paper towel open it up? Now where is it? I just had my eye contact solution. Can't make any more sense without it. Here it is. Here it is. Oh. Yeah. Look at any little cheese. Now let me add some more to mine. Here we go in the rest for when I make other slime. Guys, now I fixed it. A little bit of eye contact solution. No, I haven't. No. Ew, it smells so gross. So guys, let me just pick all. I know what this is from. I need the mop now. Ew. I need the mop. Just wait a sec. I really need to pick this up.
Could that guy see me?
No. Now entertain them for me.
I can't.
I have to go to the washroom.
I need to put on my foot.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Thank you guys for watching our video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Goodbye.